for me, dance is always having this power of you can talk in yourself, so you can make a dialogue. It's quite different from you just like living in a society and you play with the social identity and these things. It changes. It changed a lot to me that I started to improve, so I can listen to what's really what I want from the bodies. So to have this balance between, okay, I perform in the society as a, like a social person, but at the same time I can also take out, I can go away from there to really listen to what I'm really feeling or what I'm really having. Yeah, so this is really a big change that this has a. Yeah, it's a training to do, but it's a great skill to do. Yeah.